What's up, guys? My Take Tactical here. Today we're gonna do another unboxing installation of the tempered glass. I got this tempered glass on Amazon. I think it was like $9.99. It comes in the 3-pack variant. You got your natural touch here, anti-fingerprint, ultra thin, hydrophobic coating, and a super hardness on the 9H scale. It's a full frame screen shield design. I think I'm going to say this, I'm going to butcher the crap out of this name, Tethys or Tethys. I don't know. All right, so here you guys go. Has come with a QR code. You can check that out. So it comes with the alcohol cleaning wipe, the dry wipe cloth, dust absorber stickers, guide stickers, installation instruction manual, warranty card, and the installation frame. That's the one big reason why I got this, because it has an installation frame. If you watched my last videos or past videos, you could see that I don't do too well in installing tempered glasses or any screen protectors. So let's see what comes in the box here. So looks like it comes with everything in here. Comes with the frame. Okay. Comes with the glass screen. Oh wait, no, I'm reading it. So it says here you got to register your lifetime warranty within 14 days. That's pretty cool. I think in here is just the stickers, the alcohol wipes, and dry wipe. So we're going to put that aside real quick. Here's the glass. We're going to take it out of its packaging here. Sorry, doing everything behind the cameras. So it has the black borders all around, and it'll cover up that camera up there. So it says for the iPhone XS Max. Now I'm guessing that's weird, because anyways, I guess it is the same dimensions, but I bought it definitely for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's get on with the installation. I know this is going to take me a little while maybe to figure this out and to put it on. So put that right there, and we're going to remove all this stuff out from its packaging. So once I'm done here, I'm going to register this online to get my lifetime warranty. Okay, and there we go. Start off with that. So I'm guessing this is we're gonna go with the 1, 2 there. So it comes, that's pretty cool. I like that. It comes with a set of 3, because of course this comes with 3 tempered glasses. And get your dust sticker removal here, and a little installation guide right there. Let's put this away. Now, if my cat comes into the frame here, I do apologize. But we're going to go ahead and do a wet. So let's tear this apart right here. Let's clean it. You have to forgive me, I'm doing everything behind the camera. So it says you got to be in a nicely clean room, but I'm in my dining area. So right, let's put that aside, and we're going to get the dry wipe, rub it down. And if you hear the phone rocking back and forth, it's only because the camera does protrude just a bit. So I'm not worried about scratching it. I am on a wood surface table. So just make sure you remove all the dusts around the corners of the phone, the sides of the phone, and just keep going over it. Then I'm going to align. So here, this is the top, and bottom. So we're going to go to the top real fast. And okay, that's a really snug fit. So don't worry, I don't think it's going to scratch your phone up at all when you try to put it in. And then I'm going to get some dust stickers right here, and we're going to go around the phone and take out some of the dust, if it's anything on there, if I can get this sticker off. Okay, there we go. And I see one right there, so I'm going to go for that. I see one right there. you're just gonna dab on it. You know, make sure you get all the dust out. I think that's enough, right? All right, then we're gonna take our tempered glass here. It says I can peel. Okay. And we're just gonna lay it on. Hopefully, I don't have any. I got a dust right there, piece of dust. Let's move this. So, I think I got everything covered here. So I guess you gotta push these out, the bubbles, which I know they're gonna come out. It will take some time, but yeah, I'm not really. I told you, I'm not that good. I try to take the dust out as fast as possible, and then try to apply it. But let's go over the tempered glass part of it. So, as you can see here, it goes through the corners, all the way around, right? Yes, right there. That's pretty cool. All right, it's like it's not even there. But I'm gonna go ahead and slap on one of these cases that I have. So I got the Zizo brand case here. Let's see if it lifts. That's one of the main things I'm concerned about. Let's see if it does lift. Okay. Okay, that's good so far. Good so far. Good so far. So no lifting. I don't see no lifting at all. I don't know if the camera can pick those up. Ah, pretty nice. Now once I get this situated here, I'll come back. Just hang on. So that's an epic fail as far as the bubble's concerned, but I'm gonna go and lift it and you know, try to do it again, and you know, hopefully there's no bubbles. But as you can see there, you can see the bubbles there. It's quite, you know, prevalent. You can actually see it. I mean, I can press all I want. I'm pressing down and everything, and it doesn't go away. One good thing though I like is that there's nothing on the sides, nothing on the corners. All right, it does, like I said, it does come to the edge of the screen right there. I guess you can see that. So right there, I do like that, and I showed you guys that it does fit on the case. I only have one case for it right now. Maybe in the next video I'll show some more cases when I do get some more in. Okay, but that's the tempered glass from Tethys. All right, so that you can see in the bottom there. Sorry, camera's not picking that up nicely for you guys. There it goes. That's a better angle. Okay. Well, guys, again, this is My Tech Tactical. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and just like, subscribe, and I really do appreciate all the feedback, comments. If you do like it, that's great. Anyways, I see you guys next time. Peace.